Hey, Park Ranger Zoe.
Hello, Earth to Zoe.
Oh, gosh, sorry, you scared me. I was just reading up on this theory that there's a mini flying T-Rex, but it's very hard to catch. It's much faster than a normal T-Rex because of its wings and small size.
Cool. I wish it were true.
It is. They just can't catch it. Anyway, I'll tell you more theories after we do our dino check. Gotta make sure all our dinos are here first before we go finding new ones.
Okay.
You counted 6 Dimetrodons, right?
Yep, all 6 were there. What happened?
Something strange poking out of the ground. It's a claw.
Oh, snap! Who lost a nail?
It's a little peculiar looking. I don't want to break it. Could you go grab our fossil kit? I'll stay here and keep an eye on it. You know, just in case there's any secret dino agents spying on us.
What secret dino?
Shh! They might be listening. I'll tell you more later.
Okay, fossil kits. Ha! Fossil kit. I should be a detective.
Call for Park Ranger Naomi. Can you bring the fossil finder too? I want to see if there are any other fossils around here.
Okay, sure. But when are we gonna do the dino check?
Oh, yeah, of course. We'll get to it.
Copy that. Wow, what's with the nail?
Sorry, you scared me again. I thought you were one of those secret dino agents trying to take our fossil treasure. They take any new discovery somebody else makes and they keep it for themselves, which is why we have to move fast to get this claw out of the ground. Did you bring the fossil kit? Time to operate. Hammer. Chipper. What is that beeping?
It's the fossil finder.
Oh. Brush. I've never seen a case like this before.
What is it?
Too soon to tell. Okay, we're almost there. Here, quick, brush that dust away. Stat.
What is it?
It's a nail.
Wow, that puts my Aunt Judy's sharp nails to shame.
That is one serious manicure, my friend. Wait a minute. This doesn't look like it belongs to any of our dinos. It must be from the mini flying T-Rex. I bet it was here!
Are you sure? Maybe we should check the dino guide.
I heard a strange sound earlier. What else could it be? And the claw was pointing in that direction. I bet if we head that way, we can find some more fossils. Maybe we'll even find a feather from its wing.
Okay, maybe just for a little while, and then we can do our dino check.
Yeah, sure, whatever. Come on, let's go.
Wait for me! Ow!
Oh, sorry. It's just, this looks like a footprint.
What type of dino?
Actually, I think it's a human footprint.
A human?
It's probably one of those secret dino agents. They're trying to discover the mini flying T-Rex before I do.
Zoe? This looks a lot like your footprint.
Mine? Maybe. Unless that's what they want us to think. Did you hear that?
Maybe that was a dino. Park Ranger Zoe.
Oh, yeah. No, you're right. We should finish the dino check. Yeah. Okay, cool. You're right.
Okay.
Unless, what if you finish the dino check and I'll stay hot on this trail? You know, just in case there's strangers in the park planting these clues. Great. Okay, good.
But
Okay, that's a plan. I'll meet you back at base camp. Here, you keep that for safekeeping. Okay. Okay. I know there's something here. There's always something. Okay. Getting close. Ow! Excuse me. Bingo! Okay. Let's see what we have here. A dino tooth? The size is off for a mini flying T-Rex. Maybe it's part of a different dino conspiracy. Hey, what's the big idea?
Oh, hey, T-Tops.
Oh, this must be a Triceratops tooth, since you shed teeth. Congratulations? Sorry. Enjoy your gold coins from the Tooth Fairy.
Dino check done. And you're pretty cute, baby Brachiosaurus. Maybe I'll draw you. Call for Park Ranger Zoe. The Dino's check is done. I'm heading back to base camp.
Copy that. You're the best. I'll see you soon. What's that? A mini flying T-Rex? I knew it! Those secret dino agents have been here. I bet they put this here just to mock me. Well, joke's on them, because I am going to find it first. A long, skinny bone? Must be part of the wing. Ha! We'll scan you and see what you really belong to. Uh-oh. I better go. Oh, come on. Now you decide to get stuck foot. Come on, I'll trade you the paperback. Oh, I should have known T-Bone was in on this. He's trying to protect his T-Rex relatives. Park Ranger Naomi, could you copy? I have a code T-Bone situation and my foot is stuck. Help! The T-Rex is coming and I can't move! Help me!
Copy that. I'm on my way. Oh man, I shouldn't have used him. The Ultra Dino Zapper! Safety first. The Dino Zapper! That thing's too heavy for me. I can't do it by myself. The claw!
Hurry! Almost there! Here, we'll do it together. Let's go! Come on. Ready? Here we go.
Oh, T-Bone, we're gonna have to get you a toothbrush or a mint.
And I am gonna have to stop obsessing with conspiracies. I'm sorry. I got carried away and I left us in a bind. Oh, and I left you to do the dino check all by yourself.
It's fine. All that matters is we found cool fossils.
Want to scan them with the Mega Dino Ray?
Yeah! I thought you never asked.
Okay, here we go. The truth. Tree branch? Oh man, it's not a bone after all.
Well, I know that's a nail. I can see one from a mile away.
Triceratops claw.
Wow, poor T-Tops, he's having a rough day. Wait, there has to be a mystery though. I found this random doodle of a flying T-Rex in the rocks.
I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but I'm the one that did that. I've been doodling a lot lately. See?
But the wings.
That's a mountain.
Ugh, rats, wrong again. Ugh. Mission log 613. Never get too distracted by a dino theory. You'll lose track of what's important.
Well, I still believe in a mini flying T-Rex.
You do?
Yeah. What else does the book say?
Okay. Did you know that there is a vegetarian raptor?
What? I need that.
And that mermaids actually evolved from megalodunes. The legend is